Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT generate images. So first of all, you will have to open up your browser. Then from there, you will have to go straight to ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT's base model, which is free, does not provide the image generation feature. But if you upgrade to ChatGPT 4, you can generate images using ChatGPT. But we can do that for free as well. Now, if you see right here, ChatGPT 4 uses DAL-E to produce images. Now, this is the same engine that Microsoft Bing uses to generate images, as OpenAI and Microsoft have a cooperation going on right now. So, we can generate images using Bing AI, which is completely free. So, just minimize Google, open up Microsoft Edge, and type in here Bing create. Hit enter and go to this image created from Microsoft Designer Bing. And in here you will have free tokens that you will get every day, and you can type in your prompts and you will get your images right here. Let me just go for it. And ultra realistic image of a red Ferrari parked in a parking lot, let's say. After that, just click create. And here are the results according to my basic prompt right here. And as you can see, the results are pretty good. So you can try out different prompts and you can try out different styles as well. For example, I'm just going to go for, say, an oil painting of a red Ferrari parked in a parking lot. After that, just hit create again. So this time it gave me a picture in the form of an oil painting. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can generate images similar to ChatGPT. If you guys liked it, thanks for watching. Bye.